Are you an Amazon influencer and are blown away by this program? In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for products, how to research Amazon products, how to find good products to do videos on. We're going to search some stuff using the Amazon search bar. Amazon is a search engine. So you want to find a product to make a shoppable video on. You want a profitable product. Maybe you're on a budget where you're going to buy 1 or 2 products a week or however many a week, and you're going to do videos on them, and hopefully you're getting the right products and make a lot of money. You're looking for a product that has a good amount of reviews, not too many, gets a lot of sales, and doesn't have a lot of videos or doesn't have any videos. That'd be even better, right? So how do you do that? Okay, how do you search Amazon? And it's so broad. It's such a big. They sell everything. So if you're someone who's in a niche, maybe you want to do that. But in Amazon shoppable videos, you don't have to be in a niche. As a matter of fact, you want to broaden out and do everything and anything, because if you're doing live streams, maybe you want to niche down in the live stream. But Amazon shoppable videos, you want to go ahead and be broad. So you're going to pick categories. Okay, we're always going to go. Amazon is great because Amazon is going to tell you what the best sellers are. So up here on the bar, if you don't have best sellers up here, because they're always changing this bar, you can come over to all, drop down. There's best sellers. It's always going to be there. Click best sellers. Amazon's always going to tell you the best sellers. But we're going to do something called niching down. Okay, now I just told you not to niche down, right? But this is how we're finding products. We're going to be going down with a microscope, and we're going to niche down to find products that don't have videos in them. Okay, so we're hitting best sellers. You can also check new releases, movers and shakers, most wished for, and gift ideas. We're going to stick with best sellers. Okay, now we're going to come down home and kitchen. We can pick any one of these categories. Okay, let's pick home and kitchen. And if you notice over here on the left, there's more places we can niche down, right? So we can pick all of these subcategories in home and kitchen. Let's pick wall decor. All right, wall decor. Now this is number 1 in wall decor, wall service art, right? In wall art. Now, if you go over here, okay, you can see down here, it's 1109 in home and kitchen, and it's number 1 in posters and print. Okay, now that's the best sellers rank. The best sellers rank is obviously very, very obvious. It's the best sellers. It's where they rank. Okay, so when people are searching for posters and print, this is number 1. When they're searching in home and kitchen, it's 1011.09, right? Now we're going to take this number 1009. This is the home, the parent of the niche, right? The top of the niche. We're going to take that number of bestsellers rank. We're going to go to a tool called Jungle Scout. Okay, this is called the Jungle Scout Estimator. Okay, this is the Jungle Scout Estimator. This is free. Okay, you don't have to pay for it, but Jungle Scout itself costs money. So you put the bestsellers rank up here that we just went through. It was 1109. Amazon Marketplace, with me, it's in the United States, and the Amazon product category was home and kitchen. And then you click estimate sales, and it's going to tell you this product has 11,700 sales a month. Okay, so that product has 11,000 sales a month. That's pretty good, right? Now let's click on it. Got 2 videos up here. Okay, this is one place you can see videos is up here. So they've got 2 videos. If you drop down to where your videos normally are, and you're going to see there's 4 videos showing here, but they're not all this video. This is a total different print. So this would be a great product. No videos, a lot of sales per month, and it's a number 1 bestseller for wall art. Pretty good category. Okay, you can also come up here and you look. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4.5 stars, got 11,200 ratings. It's an Amazon choice. Everything about this product says it's a good product to invest in. The $16.99, buy it and do a shoppable video. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I think you did. Hit the like button, of course, and of course, hit the subscribe. Okay, we are always ways to make money online with Side Hustle Shuffle, and right now we're focusing on the Amazon Influencer Program. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and sharing is caring. Share this video with anybody you know that's in the Amazon Influencer Program, because this is very valuable information, how to search for products. Okay. YouTube has done a lot of research, and they've decided this is the next video you need to see. So click through, watch that video. Of course, take action on this video, because that's the number. What's the number 1 reason people don't make money online? The number 1 reason people don't make money is lack of action. Number 1 reason people don't make money is lack of action. Don't let that be you.